let me introduce myself. My name is Farel Ahmad Pradita. I tell you about one of my jobs during this time. Fieldwork experience (PKL). The technique of drilling holes in aluminium involves several key steps and selecting the right tools. Aluminium is a relatively soft metal, but it has special property that must be considered when drilling of the clean, correct, and safe result. After drilling, we perform grading or tapping. This is the process of creating a helical spiral, grooving the workpiece either inside the hole internal thread or outside the external thread. This groove serves as a fastening mechanism, for example, for bolts and nuts. Thanks all from me.